going on, everybody? So, if you remember my one day in the life video, you guys will remember this place. So, this is, we came here and measured the floor out, and that is what we are doing today. We are ripping this carpet up and putting down some new flooring. So, yeah, we're gonna get to moving all this stuff, and we can get to throwing down some of this new carpet. Or not new carpet, new flooring. All right, and just like that, we're down to subfloor. So now we got to pull all the staples from the padding. We got to pull the nail strips. So fun. We'll get that done, and then we'll be on to laying some floor. All right, well, we got the floor all cleaned up. We got all the spikes, nail strips off from the carpet, all the staples pulled up, and Zach is working on an angle right now, figure out where we're at right there. So let's get this party started. All right, so we're got a little bit down. We're me and Clayton being smart guys, and we're waiting on Zach to do all those fun cuts over there, because he wakes up every morning saying he wants to do those stupid cuts.
I'm gonna do this part-time employee. I keep getting called. I work 2 days a week.
But all right, well, we'll throw you guys up on time lapse while we start running some floor. Well, we're really getting along. I mean, we're down to a whole bunch of fancy cuts up against this wall. We got one side for the most part done. We got the other side left. Zach has been cutting all these angles down through here. I just cut that vent out. That was a fun one. Turning out really good. So now we got this little bit left here and those couple pieces over there, and that's a wrap for this one. All right, well, just like that, we got the floor all done. Let's straighten you guys out here. It turned out perfect. Absolutely love this. It's Happy Feet luxury flooring, loose lay. It just sits down and it stays there. And if you ever get a water leak, which you shouldn't in this room unless the roof leaks, which is not good, you can just pull it up and let it dry out and then put it back down. But there is the finished product. Looks so much better than that old junky carpet. So it's gonna wrap this one up. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll catch you on the next one.